Hello, Ken Lau here. Today I would like to share with you what is default template. So suppose that you have um, you have such a need that every time you create a new book, right, it will show as that the first 10 row would be in 30 pixel, and the first sheet name is not no longer named as sheet 1 but it's named as uh, 10 rows, right? And the second sheet is named as 10 columns, and there will be only two worksheets. So every time you open a new workbook, right, it will be in this format. It will have 10 columns being changed to, say, 81 pixels. So there are two. So how can you ask Excel to say that every time created a book where it will based on this workbook or this template, so that you don't need to adjust the new workbook manually again, and 10 columns, and it always has two worksheet and being named as 10 rows and 10 columns, right? You can name anything. So the first thing is that you're going to save this as a different file type. Go to file, save as, and you're going to change that to a different file name. So I'm going to save it to documents, and more important is that you can save as type to uh, Excel template. And the name is important, but you gotta change to book.xltx, right? You can't change to book one or book two, right? Or whatsoever. It has to be book.xltx, and you click. But notice that it will brings you to these templates, right? This is the default templates files, right? This has nothing to do with default templates. These are normal templates. So I'm gonna save again to documents, and I already have some file, but we're going to replace it then. All right, then we close the file. You have to close the file, right? Because the next step we're going to do is to find out where to put this file, right? We already have a books.xltx in this document file, and I'm going to look for that XL stat files. It's located at, if you're using 2010, right? It is located in program files, and look at Microsoft Office, Office 14, and look at Excel stats. So I repeat, right, is that programs file, Microsoft Office, right? Remember, profiles is X86, Office 14, Excel stat. Now, what you do is you're gonna copy this file, or you can cut this file and put it into this Excel stat file. Okay, now we can start our file. So notice that when Excel created a new workbook, it is not the standard sheet 1, sheet 2, right? It doesn't name a sheet 1, sheet 2, it is labeled as 10 rows, 10 columns. This is what they're based on. They're based on this book.xltx file, which is located at the program files, Microsoft Office, Office 14, and so on. Right. So thanks for watching. This is the method to create a default template.